Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use the MeshMatcapMaterial in ThreeJS. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you the output. So this is how the output looks like. Now I have applied some texture to this MeshMatcapMaterial as well. That's why it is looking pretty good. There is also this plane. Okay, so this plane is also there. Given that I'm applying some animation, that's why it is becoming invisible at some point of time. So if you see from this angle there is no plane, but here we can see the plane. So I'm using vuejs. So I've just run this command to create a sample project. I'm using vanilla HTML, CSS and TypeScript. Next, inside my package.json I have added two dependency. One is for ThreeJS, so 3 dependency, and inside dev dependency I have added @type/3. Then if you see my index.html, I have defined this canvas element. So id is equal to canvas, then style is position fixed, top 0, left 0 and outline is none, and here we are referencing our main.ts file. So if I go to our main.ts file, these are all the imports which I have. So if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports. Then I have created one orbit control. So again I have imported this. So firstly I have created our canvas. So it is an HTML canvas element. Then I have created one texture loader, and if you see my public folder, I have added one texture. So there are a lot of textures, but ignore them. So inside this matcap folder I have added this one.png. so this is how the matcap looks like. You can download this from Google, like just search for matcap textures. There are a lot of stuff you can use. You can even use normal images, but I'm not sure how they would look. But yeah, in case if you're not able to find texture and you just want to get something running, you can just use some normal random image. So yeah, so here we are using texture loader for that, and then we are getting hold of our matcap texture. Then here I have created one scene. Here I have created one this MeshMatcapMaterial, and I have passed our matcap texture. Then I have created 3 mesh. One is for sphere, plane and one for torus. Then I have added all of them to our scene. Here I have created one this sizes. So this is the entire width and height of our screen. Here I have created one perspective camera. Here I have created and added it to our scene. Then orbital controls is just for rotating and translating, that kind of stuff. That's why I have created orbital controls. Here we have created our WebGL renderer. I have set the size for our renderer, and this gets called whenever you try to resize your screen so that the camera and renderer are updated properly. On double click we are just entering and exiting the screen, and here I have created one clock. So on tick of it we get the elapsed time, and if I want to rotate our plane or sphere or torus, I can apply animation something like this. And here we are just calling windows.request animation frame, so that this is called every frame per second. So yeah, that's it. That's how the output looks like. Thank you for watching. Bye.